Hey there, streaming fans. If you're eager to dive into the magical world of Disney Plus on your Roku device, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get Disney Plus up and running, so you can start binge watching your favorite Marvel movies, Star Wars epics, or classic Disney animations in no time. Whether you're a tech newbie or just need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to make things easy and fun. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll require a Roku device that's connected to your TV and the internet, plus an active Disney Plus subscription. If you don't have a subscription yet, head over to the Disney Plus website to sign up. It's totally worth it for that endless library of content. Alright, let's jump in. Start by turning on your Roku and navigating to the home screen. Use your remote to scroll over to the search icon. It's usually right there on the main menu. Type in Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Once you see the app pop up in the results, select it and choose the option to Add Channel. This will download and install the app onto your Roku. After it's installed, open the Disney Plus channel. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Disney Plus account details. Enter your email and password, and boom, you're in. Now, browse through the categories, search for specific shows or movies, and hit play. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like the app not loading, try restarting your Roku or checking your internet connection. Also, make sure your Roku software is up to date for the smoothest experience. There you have it. Watching Disney Plus on Roku is as straightforward as that. Once you're set up, you can enjoy ad-free streaming in stunning quality. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you're excited to watch first. Happy streaming, everyone!